All right. It's Michael Alder here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com. And in this video, I am doing a tie-up to a bathroom doorway. That's when we are finishing off the carpet edge to a hard surface. And the reason I'm sharing this video to do the transitions here is that this is an opportunity not only for carpet installers, but for anybody looking for a side hustle that's really easy to do, that pays really big for the time involved. Now, what I'm doing here, a service like this takes just a few minutes to do and actually pays a stop charge of $75. So you see, I'm just rolling the carpet up to the sheet vinyl floor. I'm going to throw a stretch on with my kicker, and then I'm going to go ahead and tack it in with my electric tacker. Now, like I said, a service like this pays $75, but this is not the only basic service you can offer that you can get in and out to make some really fast money. So I'm going to start sharing with you all the services you could offer in the carpet and flooring industry that take almost no skill to do. You do need a couple basic tools, but they're really cheap, and you could profit wildly on these. Like I said, a few minutes of your time. Obviously, there's drive time involved, but for a few minutes of your time, you could be in and out and make $75 on the minimum stop, and far more if there's more involved. And the types of services we're going to be offering are tie-ups like I'm doing in this doorway and setting metals. We're going to do carpet patches, from people dropping cigarettes and cigars to pets tearing holes in the carpet, how to patch those in, to flooded basements. If you live in the Midwest where people have basements and they get flooded out, really easy services that profit really big on those, huge returns there. Damage from animals, cats and dogs peeing on the carpet, how to do the pad removal, reinstall new pad and stretch back in. So if you're looking for a side hustle or you're just interested in boosting your income, tap that subscribe button, and I will see you on the next video.